Hello YouTube, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I've got a unboxing today. So grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, settle down, and we'll just get this thing started. If you're a first-time viewer, thank you for stopping by my channel. If you're a subscriber, thank you for keep coming back. I really do appreciate all the love and support that I get on this channel. All right, let's get into it. This is a package from Baun Kuchen. And quite frankly, oops, that did not tear well. I'm gonna move the candle to the side so I don't burn anything. And I'm gonna have to cut it open the old school way because the ripcord did not want to cooperate. Okay, let me just get the finger in there. I'm hoping that I'm not cutting anything. I'm just gonna double check and take a little peek here. Oops, yeah. Okay. All right, let's see what we got. Sticker sheet, that's the new sticker sheet that they're giving out. And, okay, I don't see my receipt that I normally do, so let me stop and get my mic. Sorry about that. I was so excited about this package that I forgot to put my mic on. Okay, so let's open up. I'm just gonna like tape this little cord down on my holder here so it doesn't go flopping around. Okay, so we've got the new labels that Baun Kuchen is giving out. I think these are rub-on labels. I think that's the way that that goes. The journey is the destination. I love these. Absolutely great. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. And this is a small haul. This is not a very large haul. And I'm going to just open up my receipt here so I can remember what the heck I got. I know I thought, oh, okay, so now I understand. So this one is a very small haul. I only have a couple of items and it's more to help decorate in my journals. I'm going to try to preserve the wonderful packaging that they always do. It's always a treat to get stuff from Baun Kuchen because they just do such a great job of packaging up everything. So we'll see if I can keep all washi tapes and etc. Additional ephemera for me. These are a little bit trickier. Ooh, success for one. And let's see if I get lucky on this blue tape. Trying to make sure I stay in frame. Don't think I got as lucky, but I think I can reuse adhesive to get it down. And like I said, this is mostly items to help me decorate my current journal. So, without further ado, I'm a little bit in journaling inks right now. I can't figure out what size I want to use for my personal journal. I just finished my A5 journal that I had been using for almost a little bit over a year already, and so I wanted to try the Sumkeen without the Sumkeen cost. This is a traveler size, it looks like a notebook insert, and then I bought two of these Baun Kuchen exclusive stamps, and I absolutely love these stamps. So I'm going to zoom in this way so we can get things down, and I'm going to come down as well. So they're just little cute stickers. I thought these would be kind of fun to stick in my weeks that I'm using. And then I bought some pin backs because I've got some porcelain pins that have lost their backing. So this is probably one of the most anticlimactic hauls, but that was it. So I thank you very much for stopping by. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put it below. I'll put the link to Baun Kuchen in the description as well. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye. Hello YouTube. YouTube, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you are a first-time subscriber, a special thanks for you for checking out my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, well, I have lots of love for you too because you keep coming back. I've got more content to open up for you today, or items I should say for you to open up for me to open up today for you to look at. I cannot talk, so I'm going to